Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Today's topic, I'm going to show you how to solve the ABS check light on the dashboard. The signal light of ABS, according to diagnostic machine, we find out that this is the trouble codes here. There is a problem with, let me show you. The C0210, which is right rear speed sensor circuit. We have C1226, which is hydraulic brake booster solenoid circuit open or short. We have C1241, which is low battery voltage. We have C1251, which is pump motor locked or circuit open or pump motor ground. We have C1252, which is hydro booster pump motor relay. So all those things are caused by low battery positive voltage. That one we are going to solve when we recharge this vehicle. But the main problem here is right rear speed sensor circuit, which is C0211. And the previous video I told you that the hotel machine is always the best. It's better than the launch machine, and this is how the hotel machine is better than the launch machine. Under the right rear speed sensor circuit, you will find out that we have service manual. Under service manual, here it's going to describe everything, or it's going to give you the direction on how to solve that problem. So description, the first thing is the speed sensor detects the wheel speed and transmit the appropriate signal to the skid control ECU. These signals are used for control of ABS system. Each of the front and rear rotors has 48 serrations. When the rotor rotates, the magnetic field generated by the permanent magnet in the speed sensor induces AC voltage. Since the frequency of this AC voltage changes in direction proportion to the speed of the rotor, the frequency is used by the skid control ECU to detect the speed of each wheel. The DTC C1271, C1272, C1275 and C1275 and C1276 are output only in the test mode signal check. So output only in the test mode signal check. So we have the DTC detecting condition. The DTC detecting condition, we have any of the following conditions is detected. One, at a vehicle speed of 6 mph or 10 km per hour or more, pulses are not input for 30 seconds. Okay. Number two, a lapse in pulse signal transmission from the speed sensor occur frequent when the vehicle is running. ABS is one operation, right? Number three, a noise can be detected in pulse signal transmitted from the speed sensor 75 times or more than within 5 seconds. Or we have an open in the speed sensor system detected when the vehicle is stopped or less than 1 second, right? Under detecting conditions. Then we have trouble areas. I'm going to show you where the trouble areas are. For example, right rear and left rear speed sensor. We have each speed sensor circuit. We have speed sensor rotor, then sensor installation. 4 trouble areas. Then after that we have inspection procedures. Inspection procedures is it's very important. It's the final test. Inspection procedures, number one, we have read value of intelligent tester, read speed sensor, then inspect speed sensor and sensor rotor serration. The way we have inspecting, we have inspect area speed sensors, we have check harness and connector, we have inspect speed sensors and sensor rotor serrations, then inspect front speed sensor installation, then we have speed front speed sensor tip, then we have inspect speed sensor rotor. The ABS sensor. So the problem with this ABS sensor is small particles, iron particles on the tip of ABS sensor. So I'm going to clean using the clean paper, so to make sure everything is okay. So that is the, right now everything's okay. No ABS on the dashboard, no everything's working perfectly. If you want to know that everything's working perfectly, let me put ignition off, then put ignition on. The ABS will report after a few seconds, it will disappear, meaning it's okay. So we are going back to diagnostic machine to clear the code. Still the codes are still in the system, so we are going to quick erase the code like this. Engine on, ignition on, engine off, yes. It is the freeze that will be taken. Sure, want to continue, yes. That's how I do when I'm dealing with ABS. Trouble codes are not detected.